Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'll be guiding you through a quick and simple step to log into your CoinMarketCap application. So open the CoinMarketCap application to begin from your app drawer. Soon after you open up the application, this is how it looks like. If you've recently logged out of your account, then simply go to the top right hand corner and click on the profile image. You will then come across this interface where you will need to click on the login button at the top left. Now, you can choose either the email address option or Google or Apple ID option from the display. If you've chosen the email address option while signing up for CoinMarketCap, you will need to do the same over here. Simply enter your email address associated with the account in the first text box. Once you are done, go to the next field and type in your correct password for your CoinMarketCap account. If you're having trouble remembering your password, you can get help by tapping on the forgot password link and follow through the prompts. If you remember your password, you can type it in without any doubts and tap on login. Wait for a few seconds and you will be successfully logged into your CoinMarketCap application within a few minutes. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.